Hi MasterStudy users. We have a good news for you. We have just released a new chat plugin that is super fast and very light on your website. The secret sauce for this plugin is use of the super fast real-time database of Firebase. This video introduces you to various features of the MasterStudyLMS chat plugin. Once you install the plugin and saved the API keys of Firebase, you are ready to go. Please watch our separate demo video on easy way to get Firebase API. Under General Settings, you will find certain options for admin. First, allow or disallow the chat to happen. Second is, allow teachers of a course to chat. Third, allow users to delete his or her own messages. And fourth, set types of notification sound. After you set, click on Save button. That's it. You have successfully saved and set the chat application to appear on the course or lesson page where the course creator enables it. Now log in as a teacher and go to any course edit page. If admin enabled the teacher to chat, you will find an Allow Conversation option in the course sidebar widget. A teacher needs to enable it before he or she participates in conversation with student of that course. Now, if you logged in as a student, you will find a chat widget will appear in the right-hand corner of course or lesson. Click it. Now, you can see the live students enrolled to your course or teachers of your course in the left-hand sidebar in the chat window. A green color dot shows live students or teacher. Apart from the text messages, you can send image or PDF, Excel or Docs to other participants. Hope this application will enhance MasterStudyLMS course platform many-fold and provide students with immense satisfaction on joining your course platform. Thank you for watching. If you want to buy this plugin, please check the video description.